एंड देश भर में सिर्फ एक नाम गूंजता था, दैट वाज हिम्मत सिंह। एंड सीजन डिजिटल। देश की रक्षा अब सिर्फ बॉर्डर तक सीमित नहीं, इट्स अबाउट प्रोटेक्टिंग व्हाट्स अनसीन। तो फाइनली द मोमेंट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर, ये रहा द ऑफिशियल ट्रेलर ऑफ स्पेशल ऑप्स 2, ऑलरेडी वायरल, ऑलरेडी कंट्रोवर्शियल, फॉर ऑल द राइट रीजंस। Taking. Mr. K.K. Menon, please can we hear, have you on the stage, please. Next, the ever grounded, ever authentic, ever alert Inspector Abbas Sheikh. Vinay Pathak, ladies and gentlemen. Then comes charm with a mission, the always sharp, always slick. Farooq Ali, make some noise for Karan Tucker. Now the wild card, the curve ball, the threat you didn't see coming. Let's invite Tahir Raj Basin. And the architect of Indian espionage fiction, the man who made thrillers smart again. Give it up for Neeraj Pandey. Would request all of you to please be seated. Okay. Okay. So this question is for Neeraj sir. The gap between season 1 and 2 was nearly 5 years. Expectations are sky high. What inspired the pivot to cyber warfare? You have always rooted your stories in realism. How much of season 2 is drawn from real intelligence and geopolitics?
First of all, good afternoon, everyone, and it's lovely to be back in Delhi and not shooting for once, just interacting with you people. And there were three questions, I believe it was rolled in one, so I'll try and answer them. Uh, First of all, the cybersecurity as and cyber threats is the reality of today. I mean, with whatever is going on and the way we are using our digital IDs and transactions happening left, right, and center on a daily basis. So that becomes a real threat today, and hence it was a natural magnet for us to chase this story. Uh, Regarding interactions with people who are in this world, of course, no research would be complete without interacting with people who belong to this particular field and are experts in that. So a lot of the story is shaped about of our interactions with them, and they contribute highly and hugely to the projects. What was the third question?
Okay, so third was how much of season 2 is drawn from real intelligence and
Like
geopolitics?
I answered that. Yeah, your other question was where we are coming back after 5 years. It comes to me now. No, we are not actually coming back after 5 years. There was a 1.5 that came out in 2022. It was a post-COVID world, and we were struggling to take the whole crew out of this country because most of the stuff that you see over here, ops, is shot abroad. And so we did a 4 episoder at that point of time, which was Himmat's backstory narrated by Abbas. And now this one is a full-fledged season where all the episodes are going to drop all at once, 11th of July. Here we are.
Very excited for that. And the next question for KK sir, this for you. Himmat Singh has become one of the most iconic characters in Indian espionage fiction. How do you maintain the intensity and depth of a character who remains emotionally restrained but is always intellectually ahead the game?
I didn't know so much about Himmat Singh, you're telling me, but anyway, good afternoon to everybody. Thank you so much. Whatever credit goes in terms of characterization, etc., goes to the man sitting on my right because that's the way he writes. All the actor needs to do is to follow and understand the subtext behind those lines and the way he's written it. So that makes my job easy. To put it in words, whatever you said, all that came about because of the writing.
Absolutely. And Vinay sir, this for you. Abbas Sheikh has always been the grounding force, brave, loyal, and rooted in reality. But in season 2, when the enemy is so intangible, how does a street smart cop like him adapt? Did you find new layers to explore in Abbas this time?
नमस्कार, आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है। आपका सवाल दिल्ली के पुलिस के बारे में है ना? आप दिल्ली में रहती हैं, आपको दिल्ली की पुलिस से नहीं मिली है कभी? They're the smartest cop in India. So I think they answer my question. How how do I read Delhi cop? I move around in Delhi, यार, sometimes in car also, and I get stopped. And सबको अनुभव होगा हमारे दिल्ली के पुलिस कर्मियों से। तो उम्मीद है कि मैंने आपके सवालों के जवाब दे दिया हो।